Hi everyone, so today we're going to take a look at our B4, D4 and R4 Beatrice intercom units. Our Beatrice intercom is an audio over IP intercom system that makes use of the powerful and reliable Dante network audio system that's for distributing uncompressed linear audio over standard Ethernet networks. And as it has such a good underlying audio transport mechanism, the audio quality of the Beatrice intercom is really considerably better than any old-fashioned intercom systems. The Beatrice B4, D4 and R4 are all 4-channel intercom units, and by 4-channel we mean that each unit can send and receive 4 audio signals. And whilst we're on the topic of audio channels, it's really important that I do point out that all of these units use the Ultimo chipset from Audinate for their AOIP interface. And although this chipset does provide 4 audio channels on and off the network, it can only receive 2 incoming network streams. Now you can probably tell that all of these units are a bit different in size. The B4 is a belt pack, D4 is a desktop, and R4 is a 19-inch 1RU sub-rack. But all 3 units do share the same basic interface and provide the same functionality as each other. The desktop D4 and rack mount R4 are basically the same, but are just different shapes. The B4 belt pack is identical to the others, but unlike the D4 and R4, it doesn't have a built-in loudspeaker, microphone, or mains power supply. All the units are designed to be used by one operator, and this is to communicate with up to 4 different people. The B4 operator will use a headset with the unit, and D4 and R4's operator will either use a headset or they might use the front panel loudspeaker and the built-in panel mic, or even the external gooseneck mic like this one here. And this one, by the way, is an optional extra for you. These 4 front panel talk switches enable the operator to talk to the 4 different talkback circuits. And these switches are fully user programmable, so they can be set to operate in the way that you would like. And if you double tap these talkback switches, then they send a call signal. Now, calling is a facility that's built in to all of our Beatrice units, and it enables the operator of one unit to attract the attention of an operator on another. If a 4-channel unit gets a call signal, then one of the 4 front panel call LEDs will flash, and this indicates it's being called, and if it's enabled, a chime will also be heard from the operator to get their attention. This chime level can be specifically set, or it can be turned off if needed. And if the complete calling facility itself isn't needed, then this can also be disabled. Each of the 4 incoming audio circuits are mixed together and fed to the operator's loudspeaker or headphones or headset if they're used. And there's a single front panel overall headphone volume control provided, but if a talk key is pressed and held whilst adjusting the level control, then this adjusts the input gain level of the associated channel, and in turn this enables a more personalised audio mix for the user. To help the operator distinguish which of their 4 incoming audio circuits is talking to them, a presence LED is provided for each of them, and these LEDs stay illuminated for a few seconds after the audio drops below -20 dB threshold. There's a backlit LCD display provided that allows a number of functions of the units to be set up. Things like talk switch operation, mic gain, phantom power, chime level, call facilities and party line circuits can all be set via this display. And this setup is password protected, so it's going to prevent any untrained operators doing any fiddling. The party line facility also allows any of the 4 audio inputs to be routed to any of the 4 outputs. And when a party line is set, the incoming audio will be routed to the outgoing circuit, and this is until the associated talk key is turned on. And at this stage, the incoming audio circuit will be dimmed by 20 dB, and the operator's mic will be mixed with the output. Now, the last thing to mention is that all our Beatrice units can be powered from the Power over Ethernet enabled switches or mid-span PoE injectors. But the rack mount and desktop units also have built-in power supplies. And that's it for this video. But if there is anything else you want to know about these units or any other Glensound products, then head on over to www.glensound.com. You can also check out our YouTube channel where you'll find more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.